Right then, in this video what we're going to do is we are going to look at getting a domain through Shopify for your business. So you click through there, online presence, web address. That'll bring you to this page where you can register your domain through Shopify. Everything is simple, it's all automated, so you don't need to spend much time trying to set everything up if you buy a domain outside of Shopify. Buying it directly through Shopify simplifies things a lot. So what you do is on this page you can go and look for a domain. You type in the domain you want. As you can see, if you type in a specific name there, it's going to bring up results. You can then choose to register it. I just did that just for fun to see what happens and what came up. Anyhow, let's go back. You need a custom domain because using a generic My Shopify store domain or subdomain isn't very professional. You want your website to look professional and it must be unique to your business. It helps you establish your brand, and having a specific name attached to anything you put online helps you rank high in search engines, and building a brand with a unique business name helps you resonate with people, and your brand will then stick in their mind and they'll be more likely to be able to identify you with the products and services you supply. So using Shopify makes it very easy to manage your domain. You can find your domain, and once you've done that, you use the domain through Shopify and just build your site. Everything is drag and drop. Obviously, to register it through Shopify, you can set it as your primary domain and you can create as many subdomains as necessary. Once you've got your domain, you can then set up email, etc., etc. So use Shopify, and it's very simple. You have a website builder with a blog included. There is unlimited bandwidth and products that you can upload. It's search engine optimized. There are 100 plus payment gateways that you can use to charge people and receive payment. You can receive or pay taxes globally, and Shopify supports multiple currencies. You can also create gift cards and discount codes. Obviously, you can go and check out the full feature list and the packages available in Shopify. So I would suggest starting with a trial, play around with Shopify, see if it's for you, and then make a decision to continue with it or not. But why not try it, see if you like it. If you do like it, then use it to host your business and make sales. Shopify makes it extremely easy to build an online business and make money online. That's it for this video. Sorry, let's go back one bit. That was just a look at features. If we have a look at domain hosting, if Shopify hosts your domain, you can create unlimited free subdomains, unlimited subdirectories, custom domain name options, and it's very simple. Your email can be forwarded, you have privacy set up, and it costs you $14 a year, which is very affordable. It's about $1.50 or less per month, which is very cheap. We've already discussed the features earlier. Why not try it? You can use the free tool to do a quick search for a domain. We've tried that earlier where I did that fun search. Everything's available within Shopify. Just go and look for the domain that you would like. Remember what I said, make it memorable, find and choose the right extension, for example .com, org, net, etc. Make sure that the name you choose is relevant to your business, and remember that search engines also like seeing that brands attach themselves to products and services they supply. And then when you go out across social media, you need to be able to identify or mention your brand, and people will then start identifying your brand with the products you supply. Look at the last tab, the domain generator. Search for a domain, choose what you like, and once you've found the name you like, start a trial. Once the trial is completed, then you can sign up for one of the packages and start selling. If you get stuck, go and look at the Shopify blog. Everything is there. There's also a lot of places where you can go and look for further information. There's a support feature. You can always go into the help center. There's a forum. There's other free tools, etc. Just check out all the links in the footer of Shopify. You're going to find a wealth of information that will help you make a decision about using Shopify for your business. That's it for domains. See you in the next video.